Well, good day, welcome to Reproductions Lair, and short video today. We're going to be looking at reproduction weapons. A bit of a sore point, nobody likes them, scourge of the earth, people try to make profits out of them. You know, on eBay if it says phrases like could be original, it passes the float test, basically means it's dodgy, they've got no idea where it comes from, and it's a fake, steer well clear. And that's what's called evil bay. But we're going to look at the Imperial Blaster and obviously the Rebel Blaster. I'm going to do a float test for them, just so that you know, if you do it, what you're looking for. So let's get some water and let's try and drown some reproduction weapons. Okay, so couple of glasses, unfortunately not filled with vodka, but your basic water. We have the reproductions here and the genuine, authentic, marvellous, original weapons here. And we're just going to do the Rebel Blasters and the Imperial Blasters, and I've got black and blue of each. So if we start off with the genuine Rebel Blaster, and we just place it on top, floats nicely, and then we'll go to the evil Rebel Blaster reproduction, place it on top, and it floats nicely. Blue original, floats nicely. Blue, floats nicely. Black Imperial, floats by placing it on top. Blue, floats by placing it on top, and the same for these. What we're going to do now is give them a little bit of a tap. So if I tap the black one, it's gone under the water and come back up. Blue one, under the water and come back up. Blue Blaster, Blue Imperial, under the water, back up. Under the water and back up. Okay, and then if we move across this side, black or blue, under the water and down, tap, down, tap, down, tap, down. So there you have it. If you place them on top, they'll float. If you tap them, then the original ones will strive to come back to the surface to prove they're not a witch. Or no, if you sink, you're not a witch, because the water will accept you. If you float, you are a witch. Anyway, there you have it. So there you have it. Really simple float test, how to do it. Doesn't work with all reproductions, and that's just for, like I say, the Imperial Blaster and the Rebel Blaster. There's other things to look for. You can tell by how they feel, the texture of them, the grips and stuff. If you're not sure, then you're best to look at the Imperial Gunnery. It's probably the best site out there for looking at an assortment of weapons, and we'll do a few more float tests and a few more bits and bobs with other weapons as we go through this, you know, this journey that we're on for collecting everything that is Star Wars. But look at the Imperial Gunner, it's well worth it. Don't just rely on a float test. It's one thing that you do to make sure you get it right, because if you've got a fake and then you've got a genuine and you can't tell them apart, you're going to be knackered, aren't you? Oh, shit. Back to square one then. See you next time on Reproductions Lair.